Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Tuesday. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We made it. We have another Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below, where you get one of these at a low cost and take advantage of the Amazon Prime's fast and free shipping. And they'll ship this out to you in no time. We got the next major thing is Father's Day. And then what? 4th of July. And then into the holiday season coming up. Ooh. These are always nice to have. Screenbar Lite. BenQ. So thank you guys at BenQ. We're going to do the unboxing and then I'll do a setup. True laptop lamp. Oh, it's for a laptop? Or maybe desktop. Oh no. Well, I can use I know what to do. I don't have a desktop anymore. I need to get a new one. That one took a dive. I don't know what happened. But I should be getting one maybe this year. Pretty soon. Here we go. Let's see what this thing looks like. Well, this would be great for you vloggers out here that travel a lot. So this would be a nice gift idea to give to somebody. Birthdays, bar mitzvahs, Christmas. Ooh, look at that. Nice case. Solid steel. Solid plastic. BenQ. Alright, let's pop these open. Got the latch on there. There we go. Oh, look at this mini guy. Alright. So you just clip it on. There's lights here. See them all right down there. I'm just going to have to run the USB on my computer. But like I said, I don't have a laptop right now, but I will soon. That one is on the fritz. Big time. Here we go. And like I said, you just clamp it. And it does really work good. I have the desktop version of this. And they do work really nice for your techie people out here that do it for a living. So this is definitely a nice one, especially on a plane, those long flights. And you don't want to stare at your screen all day. Just clip it on. And boom. And I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, we're here back. We got this thing on my little tablet. You can use it also for because it fits perfect on mine. And here we go. This thing is bright, so cover your eyes for a second. I can find the groove. Gotta find where it's at. Kind of dark right now. There we go. See, look at that. It's like a little lamp, but it is bright. And they got controls. Oh, come on. And all I did was plug it into USB. There we go. Ooh, sorry about that. So you got controls up here that you touch. So you can dim it. You get super bright. Make it less bright. Change the colors. There you go. Yeah, I'm liking this. This is cool. So, like I said, this fit my little tablet that I use for my security cams. So definitely happy that this works pretty well. And like I said, if you have one of those like power chargers or power packs, the battery things, you can plug it into that and use it, or just a USB port on your laptops and your tablets. So really cool. They're pretty bright though. So alright, YouTubers, you guys have a good night. Check them out, BenQ on Amazon. Links will be down below. And you guys have a good one. Be safe and see ya.